Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on finding the equation of a line, worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets on finding the equation of a line that is drawn on the number plane. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. So all you do is you go to the last slide, click on the available link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So I'll leave this particular slide on for a minute or so before I move on to the next slide. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. We have to find the equation of each of these lines. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. And here is the next slide. I'll leave it on for a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. And here is the last slide, and you can click on the link if you need any help.